Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it wasn't only gold that's been in the headlines recently, it's silver as well. It's pushed through the $90 barrier for the first time ever. And actually this morning from the early session topped up to $93 before, as you can see here, falling lower and with some traders taking profits. But it is still hanging around that particular area of 90, and what a meteoric rise we've seen over the last few trading weeks. As you can see here with the industrial metal really in high demand. And obviously with the safe haven speculation heightening, we're seeing now that silver has gone from roughly about $50 at the end of November, beginning of December, up to 90. And it's just really something we haven't seen on silver before. So with AI and tech stocks really having silver in demand, where do we go next for the white metal? Well, we're seeing now that prices are just looking likely that we're possibly going to have another test roughly around the 93 area in the course of the trading day, depending on the speculation of safe havens and where else we're going to go. But at the moment, if we can keep above 90, we had a couple of dips below that. These are pretty much false spikes just on the lower wicks of the candles here. But we're just looking at the full body candles at the moment, and as you can see here, it's looking very bullish for silver. But we're having a long-standing bearish divergence at the moment on the RSI. So this is just something we're just keeping an eye on as prices look to move to another realm higher. But it is looking, as I said, very vastly overbought at the moment. So where next for silver? Like we said before, it's an industrial metal. It's in very high demand at the back end of last year with the AI and tech boom. Will it keep going into 2026? We'll have to wait and see. But at the moment, it started off very brightly on price action, and it looks likely that it's going to keep on pushing higher as well. Gold, on the other hand, also got a record high in the last few trading sessions as well, just teetering above 46.38, 46.40 roughly, before just settling a little bit. So it's in a little bit of consolidation at the moment, just waiting for the next signal. But obviously with the Venezuela tensions ongoing, Russia-Ukraine conflict ongoing, we've had the Iran crisis as well, America looking to get involved. We are seeing pushes on gold and safe haven metals, safe haven assets across the board actually. So this is something we're keeping an eye out for. If you are trading metals, gold and silver, just be careful that any small fundamental piece of news that could swing prices in a different direction. This is what's really moving the price action at the moment. Inflation data from a few days ago has been pretty much ignored. It was pretty much flat in America. So that's just another story that's not really hit the headlines too much. But we're just stuck in this, as I said, mild consolidation at the moment, roughly about $30 to $40. And we're just waiting to see now if this slide by the RSI is going to have any impact in a little bit of a firmness and pullback on resistance in price action. So obviously we'll wait and see, but very exciting times for metals, very exciting times for the market, and we'll wait and see what happens here and where do we go from here. So thank you very much for joining me, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.